केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो बंटवारा हुआ रे, केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It has been 27 days since the first recovery of allegedly embezzled Ram Mandir donation funds. 19 days since Yogi government constituted the special investigation team. 7 days since the FIR was finally registered and 8 accused were arrested. Today, the man whose leadership is under the sharpest scrutiny, the man expected by millions of Ram Bhakts to explain how donations offered in full faith were allegedly siphoned away, stolen away, has finally broken his silence. Well, off the record at least. 5 days since General Secretary of Ram Mandir Trust, Champat Rai, reportedly offered to resign citing moral responsibility. We have source-based information on his first reaction to the rot infesting Ram Mandir funds. But if you expected answers, if you expected an explanation, if you expected remorse, if you expected accountability, you will find none of it. None at all. Instead, all we have is an attempt to play the victim card. Sources say that Champat Rai has told his close associates that it is his trust that has been betrayed. Yes, his trust that has been betrayed. Not a word yet to devotees. Not a peep on who defiled the sanctity of the donations of Ram Bhakts and devotees. Because the trust is not the victim here, and therefore there are now calls for FIR against Ram Temple trustees as well, including Champat Rai, Anil Mishra and Gopal Ram.
तहरीर दे दी गई है, पुलिस वालों ने मुकदमा एप्लीकेशन को रिसीव किया है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है बार काउंसिल ऑफ यूपी मुझे पूरा सपोर्ट देगी।
किसी ने ये नहीं कहा और ये सच होगा भी नहीं कि चंपत जी ने किसी को कहा कि तुम ऐसा करो। ये तो आरोप भी नहीं है उनके ऊपर। पुलिस के हाथ में क्या क्या लगता है, एसआईटी के हाथ में क्या क्या लगता है, मैं प्रतीक्षा करूंगा अभी।
Yes, there are no direct charges against Champat Rai yet, but can he escape accountability? Has there been any investigation? The Trust General Secretary was not appointed to count every penny and every note. He was entrusted to protect the system that protected every single rupee that came as donation. His responsibility was supervision. But all we now have is massive proof of continuous oversight. From CCTV footage to cash and gold recoveries, the evidence is mounting. So how did the watchdog see nothing? Who will answer for the system that allowed it to happen? But here is the shock, viewers. Despite all this, Champat Rai still continues to call the shots at the Temple Trust. Yes, let alone facing any FIR, a Times Now investigation has found that it is business as usual for Champat Rai. Yesterday we told you that his resignation is yet to be accepted. So the resignation so far is a farce. Now watch Champat Rai's aide saying this, that he hasn't even resigned. That the reports of him stepping down, taking moral responsibility are actually totally fake.
आप जैसा उचित समझे।
हमने आपको बता दिया, अब आप जैसा समझिए। आप कहेंगे हम यहाँ करवा देंगे, हमारा सीए आ जाएगा, वकील लेके आ जाएगा, कुछ आपके सामने करके आपको रस्सी देगा हाथों हाथ।
ठीक है।
चाहेंगे आप देखो ऑफिशियल ऑफिस में यही काम होगा, यहाँ भी वही काम होगा।
ठीक है।
बस ये उनको यहाँ फिराना
यहाँ पे बस आगे थोड़ी तकलीफ होगी, रास्ता थोड़ा
तबीयत कैसी है, क्या कुछ तबीयत सर मिले हैं पहले? तबीयत ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं, नॉर्मल है। बस केवल थोड़ा सा उसके पीछे पे बार बार बातचीतें हो रही है, जिससे थोड़ा सा मिलने की उन्होंने खुद मना करना चाहिए। बाकी सामान्य तो ऑफिस में मिलवा देते हैं, झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे, है यही है, लेकिन उन्होंने खुद मना कर रखा है। बैठे हैं कुछ बातचीत। और वैसे भी देखिए मीडिया झूठ बोल रही है, इस्तीफा दे दिया, सब कुछ झूठ बोल रही है।
मैं इतने सालों से चीजों को देख रहा हूँ।
सुनिए, मैं आपको बता रहा
जी
हूँ
भैया,
इसमें क्या हो रहा है। मीडिया को भरपूर पैसा मिला है और मंदिर के बहाने सरकार को बदनाम करने के लिए। मंदिर से केवल उनको जरिया मिला है।
सरकार को बदनाम हो रही है तो पूरी हिंदू धर्म बदनाम हो रहा है भाई। वो आके बोलेंगे भाई तुम तो चोर थे, तुम तो चोर थे। सनातन धर्म
को बदनाम कर रहे हैं वो, सिर्फ राजनीति और वोट कुछ नहीं है।
बाबूजी
थोड़ा बहुत गलती हुई।
बाबूजी स्वस्थ है ना?
बाबूजी स्वस्थ है। तो ऐसा आपके पिताजी ने किया बाबूजी? देखिए, जब शुरू में पहले दिन सुने थे तो थोड़ा सा झटका तो लगता ही, कुछ भी हो, कोई भी व्यक्ति हो।
और अपने सिद्धांत वाले थे भाई।
You heard that, viewers? पैसा नहीं गायब हुआ, वहां से पैसा चोरी नहीं हुआ, मीडिया को पैसा मिला है बदनाम करने के लिए. That is the preposterous accusation that is being made. There are a few mistakes, at least that admission. Did you hear that? A few mistakes, but wait, there is more. Not only has nothing changed at the top, nothing has changed even on the ground. We were told lessons had been learned, but our investigation paints a very different picture. Our undercover reporter posed as a devotee wishing to make a valuable offering. What happened next is disturbing. Our cameras captured Rise aides discussing ways around avoiding CCTV, offering assurances that everything can be facilitated, that precious donations could allegedly change hands without any bill, any counterfoil being given, without documentation, without an immediate paper trail. Nothing. बस दे दीजिए, कुछ पेपर पे नहीं आएगा, कोई रिसीट नहीं मिलेगी.
रसीद है ना मोबाइल में?
मोबाइल में रसीद नहीं आते,
फोन में ही मंगा लीजिए.
कच्चा मंगा लेंगे,
कच्चे भी मंगा लीजिए.
कच्चा मंगा लेंगे.
क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ देखिए काउंटर पे को सुना रखा नहीं है कि रख लेगा, तो फील रहता है तो थोड़ा क्या
ठीक है.
अक्सर कंफ्यूज रहते थोड़ा चूज कर रहिएगा कि आपके सामने जाएगा, सामने को पहनाएंगे, वहीं पर गेट वगैरह हो जाएगा, वो वहीं जमा हो जाएगा. फिर आपको रसीद वहीं से बाद में मिलेगी, आपकी मोबाइल जाएगी, आपका डिटेल सारा रिलीज से रख लेंगे. नाम, रसीद कितनी है, नंबर, एड्रेस, जो चाहिए होगा वो सब लिख लेंगे वहाँ. रसीद तक ये कल आपको मिल जाएगी आपके मोबाइल पे.
The Ram Mandir in Ayodhya was built on two words, faith and trust. It was expected to become the gold standard not just of devotion but of transparency. But if the system is still functioning in this manner, even a month after the scandal has broken, what should one make of it? Now, we are not saying the processes our cameras captured are illegal, but we are saying that these are the very systems that are now under scrutiny. These are the very processes that investigators say failed to prevent alleged embezzlement. So if the system failed once, why does it appear to be functioning the same way even today? Where is the revised rule book? Where are the new safeguards? While accused like Lavkush Mishra are now facing bulldozer action, will accountability stop with the lowest rung? And in that case, can anyone seriously claim that the system has been cleaned up? Ask the trustees and they say, Lord Ram will do justice.
रामलीला सब देख रहे हैं, वो अपने आप दंड देंगे, अपने आप सब ठीक भी हो जाएगा और सब पैसा आ भी जाएगा, कोई कमी नहीं होगी. रामलीला सब देख रहे हैं, सब निर्णय दे देंगे, अपने आप सब ठीक भी हो जाएंगे और सब जेल में पहुंच जाएंगे.
As of now, 8 people, 8 accused are in jail. Some cash and gold has been recovered, but Has the trail really ended, or has it merely stopped and covered up? Because until investigators establish who ultimately benefited, where the call really came from, the biggest question in the Ram Mandir donation probe remains unanswered. Was there bigger fish? Was there a command center? And are they being shielded now?
They cannot inquire this thing in a truthful manner. It is very clear that big fishes are out.
थाना पुलिस पूरा बीजेपी के साथ पे काम कर रही है। इस बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी को न चंदा मिलने जा रहा है, न भारतीय जनता पार्टी को दान मिलने जा रहा है, न चढ़ावा मिलने जा रहा है और न वोट मिलने जा रहा है।
सबको बचाने की कोशिश की जा रही है। जिन लोगों ने इस्तीफे दिए हैं, कहा जा रहा है कि आज भी मंदिर वही चला रहे हैं।
कम से कम 20,000 करोड़ रुपए का घपला है। 20,000 करोड़ रुपए का सोना चांदी जेवर, लोगों ने 50-50 किलो सोना दिया, करोड़ों रुपए दिया, हीरे के हाथ दिए करोड़ों रुपए, पता ही नहीं किसी।
And yet Deputy Chief Minister of UP says this should not be made a topic of discussion, that the issue is being blown out of proportion, that Champat Rai is pained too. For Keshav Prasad Maurya, Champat Rai is a tapasvi. And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the legitimate question on the news tonight. Is it time to book the big fish? That's the question, and that's the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Shantanu Gupta, author, Shivraj Nair, national spokesperson of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Tehseen Poonawala, political analyst, Somnath Bharti, senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, former minister, Dr. Pooja Mishra, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. But my first question goes to Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, member of parliament and senior national spokesperson of the BJP. And Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, I want to ask you, how long and how superficial is this investigation, where questions are not being asked of the big fish, people who were running the trust? Even today, our undercover sting operation shows that Champat Rai ji was the Secretary General of the trust, under whose nose this entire donation story took place. He's resigned, or supposed to have resigned, in front of the media, but his colleagues say that ये सब फेक न्यूज है, उन्होंने कोई रिजाइन नहीं किया है, वो अभी कहीं नहीं गए हैं, वो मीटिंग ट्रस्ट के ऑफिस में नहीं करते हैं, गेस्ट हाउस में करते हैं। आप चलिए उनसे मिलवा देंगे, जितना डोनेशन देना है दे दीजिए, रसीद मत मांगिए, सब कुछ चुपचाप हो जाएगा। सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, do you think Ram Lalla will do this investigation? Can you actually now give some confidence to the people that the government is going to get to the bottom of this and fix accountability?
Actually, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji has already given full confidence, and he has made firm commitment and assurance to the people that those who are involved in this act will not be spared. The reason being, this is not just an issue of any theft or burglary or mismanagement, misappropriation, corruption. This is an issue which is related to the sentiment of crores of Hindus. And as a Ram Bhakt Karsevak, I myself is deeply moved by this, because as a young boy, I have been there in April 1987 when there was Ram Mandir Nirman Sankalp in Ayodhya, and on 9th November 1989 I have performed Ram Shila Pujan in my hostel, which I already posted. So there are lakhs of Karsevaks who were there associated with this movement. Definitely they are feeling a very hurt moment. But the government is having firm conviction that everybody who is found involved will not be spared, and government is moving firmly. The legal position is that if any act, normally the law says that if there is an issue related to a trust, in that case the trust should first take the action, then the government come in the scenario. But in this case, government had set aside those powers of the trust and directly constituted an SIT. Then the next question arises, why the actions and arrest has not been taken place? So in this ultra sensitive matter, arrest and names should be given or mentioned only after at least some prima facie evidence. Because we should not be this type of, you can say, very flimsy type of thing. You just name 50 people and in the first instance 40 get out because there was no substantive evidence. And even the final report of SIT has not come. Just on the basis of preliminary reports, some preliminary actions have been taken. Then the third question, Navika ji, you have said about what about the big fish? I would like to say it's not the question of big fish. There can be a big whale. There can be a fishing net. There can be a very huge network which may be connected from the trust to the banks and others. That's why SIT has started taking into cognizance and inquiry and investigation the 7 banks also. So government is having firm opinion that everybody should be taken into account and should not be spared. But on the same point, whatever step we should take cautiously based on the concrete proof, so that any charges which are framed should not get set aside even at the level of the Supreme Court, so that it should be a firm action taken. But one more thing I would like to say, Navika ji, there is a political aspect also. In politics, what is being said is important, but more important is who is saying this. I would like to remind, these are the people who used to say that Ayodhya was not here, who used to say Ram हुए नहीं, जो ये कहते थे कि अयोध्या थी है पहले साबित करो, जो ये कहते थे राजा दशरथ के तो इतने सारे कमरे थे मणिशंकर, ये यहां हुए थे कि नहीं? और वो सोचिए जो ये कहते थे इरेडिकेशन ऑफ सनातन धर्म कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हैं, जो कहते थे हिंदू HIV है, वायरस है, और PWD मिनिस्टर कर्नाटक के कहते हैं हिंदू शब्द गंदा है, जो रामचरितमानस की चौपाइयां फाड़े थे, जो कार सेवकों को, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क योर कैमरा टू फोकस ऑन दिस. This is a newspaper. I am not mentioning anything on my own. This is a newspaper, 3rd November 1990. What does it say? कि अयोध्या में घेर कर घंटों फायरिंग, 200 मारे गए. And those who cherish the killing of 200 car sevaks. This is a Aaj newspaper of 3rd November 1990. And those people are saying that they are very much concerned about it. It's like General Dyer is saying that he's concerned about the Freedom Fighters Fund and whether it is being used properly in the welfare or not. So for that, Yogi ji has appropriately used the word Kalnemi. But I would like to say,
all right, you know, your political charges, I will get the opposition to answer. But Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, इतना तो बता दीजिए, चंपत राय जी ने रेजिग्नेशन दिया या नहीं दिया? मीडिया में स्टेटमेंट दिया गया ट्रस्ट द्वारा कि उन्होंने अपना इस्तीफा दे दिया. उनके लोग कह रहे हैं नहीं भाई, बाबूजी अभी वही हैं, गेस्ट हाउस में मीटिंग करते हैं, सारा कारोबार संभाले हुए. क्या चल रहा है?
देखिए नाविका जी, हमारा विश्व हिंदू परिषद के अध्यक्ष आलोक जी ने कहा है कि चंपत राय जी ने इस्तीफा दिया है, तो ही इज हैविंग क्रेडिबिलिटी. अब ये जो आपके टीवी पे दिखा जा रहा है, ये उनके कौन से लोग हैं, इसका क्या डिजिग्नेशन है, क्या लोकस स्टडी है और इसका क्या स्टैंड है, दैट आई एम टोटली अनअवेयर. So I will go by what the president of VHP has said, that Champat Rai ji has given a resignation, and in the next meeting of the trust, it will be accepted because the law says that the trust, anybody who is a member of the trust can be removed only to the meeting. And second point also, you are saying why the meeting so late, why not today? Because let the complete report of SIT come, so all the members who are under suspicion.
तो फिर अनाउंसमेंट की क्या जरूरत थी कि रिजाइन कर गया है? आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट अनाउंसमेंट कम्स एंड 10 days later there will be a full meeting of the trust. So announcement is there, but in reality nothing is changed. His aide Pradyuman says वो खबर भी गलत है, ये फेक न्यूज है कि उन्होंने रिजाइन किया है. बाबूजी मीटिंग कर रहे हैं रोज रोज. अब आप कह रहे हैं VHP ग्राउंड पर जो है, दैट इज व्हाट आवर रिपोर्ट सेज. Somnath Bharti ji, are you convinced? Of course, the political opportunism is there for everybody to see. But are you convinced with the investigation itself?
Navika ji, see, political opportunism is, that's not what we are looking for. I'm a Hindu, and a very cutter Hindu. I meditate every day for 2 hours in the morning. See, Mani Sudhanshu ji was on the other channel. He was saying, no, it's not that trust. I want to request your media person to show this. So the website of Ram Janambhoomi, and that trust is called as Sri Ram Janambhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust. And here are the members. Among the members, there are representative of central government, Sri Prasad Lokhande, IAS, Sri Sanjay Prasad, UP government representative, Sri Sasank Tripathi, DM Ayodhya. There are 3 government officers. So there is a government representative of the center, as well as the state and the DM of the area. So how come, Sudhanshu ji is not, I can't expect from him that he will lie on the national TV. This is the trust which was established by none other than, Honorable Prime Minister headed the cabinet under the instructions of Honorable Supreme Court of India. So when the judgment was passed by Supreme Court of India on 9th November 2019, in that judgment, Supreme Court instructed central government that form a trust. So the trust was formed on 5th February 2020, deed was made, trustees were appointed, and these are all done by Honorable Prime Minister himself. So how come he can say so? Second thing he was talking about, people died and etc. So he accuses Mulayam Singh ji for this. He accuses Nripinder Mishra for this.
Oh, people died at
Nripinder Mishra ji, today is the chairman of the construction committee appointed by him. Then, see, and then he says, Mulayam Singh ji, his government gave Padam Vibhushan to him. So how come both can be true? So if he was given Padam Vibhushan by same Modi government, then how come he can be accused of that? So you can't
Sudhanshu ji,
both
Sudhanshu ji, please counter, please. Sudhanshu ji, please respond.
मुझे लगता है both the technical and political. First, I would like to political. शायद आप सोमनाथ जी भूल गए. Even during the inauguration of Ram Temple, they have invited Iqbal Ansari, who was the main person who went to court on behalf of Babri Masjid Action Committee. This shows, reflects in tune with the benevolence of the Hindu society, and that's why Iqbal Ansari को भी उसमें बुलाया था. अब on the issue of technical, yes, this trust was formed on the instruction of the Supreme Court. But whether a trust has been formed on the instruction of the Supreme Court by government or by anything else, just tell me that what is the procedure of removing the chairman or the main person of the trust. Just tell me. Can government directly remove? Say yes or no. And if you are saying yes, so you are the same people just a couple of months back when several trusts were involved in the conversion of the Christian missionaries. And when FCRA was asked, then you people, sir, apne turn pe boliye. Then you people started shouting that these are the independent trusts. How can government even ask that how the money has come? Forget about the utilization certificate. भाई साहब कैसे कैसे बदल जाते हैं? आप तो लॉयर हैं, बताइए. What is the legal procedure of removing the chairman of the trust? And what the government can do, kindly quote the rule.
Let me.
Okay, 1 minute. Before I come back to Somnath Bharti ji, let me open this up and let me get in Tehseen Poonawalla. And Tehseen Poonawalla, my question to you is, अब सोमनाथ भारती जी कह रहे हैं वो बहुत हिंदू भक्त हैं, सुबह 2 घंटे मेडिटेशन करते हैं. मेडिटेशन बुद्धिस्ट भी करते हैं, बहुत लोग करते हैं. रिलीजन से मेडिटेशन का कोई लेना देना नहीं है. लेकिन हिंदू है, कट्टर हिंदू है, तो पहले वहां अस्पताल क्यों बनवाना चाह रहे थे? मंदिर जब बन रहा था. खैर, that duplicity aside, Tehseen Poonawalla, when Babuji Akka Champat Rai ji is still sitting doing the meetings, what is this entire resignation theory all about? And then a statement. On the one hand, there is investigation going on, and then the statement of the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Maurya, who says कि चंपत राय जी तो तपस्वी हैं. How do both of these things go together? Does this mean that this investigation will be restricted to a few junior functionaries and the big fish will get away?
Thank you, Navika ji, for having me on the show. Once again, congratulations to you and your phenomenal team for the stellar work that you guys are doing and with the videos that you have put out, which is truly a breach of faith of every single Indian, irrespective of whether they're Hindu, Buddhist, Muslim, or everything. The Ram Mandir is where people have looked, and the collective of the government has said that this is our cultural revision. Now let's look at the aspect only legally. Let's keep emotions aside. There was an issue of robbery that comes into the notice of Champat Rai ji. Instead of filing an FIR, he asks people allegedly to return the money and does not file the first FIR until the time the matter now becomes big, and then the matter reaches the most honorable Prime Minister's office, etc., etc., etc. Media gets a whiff of it. So first, Champat Rai ji was aware of it. Second part to this. Once you're aware of it, the SIT investigation is done by the same Uttar Pradesh police, which was involved with the security of the Ram Mandir, and obviously where money is being handled, there is police security, there's police checking. So the same people are doing it. The SIT investigation started without an FIR being filed. The SIT report was submitted to an ex-officio member of the Ram Mandir who happened to be a government officer. This is all conflict of interest. In none of this, Champat Rai ji has been arrested. Now Sudhanshu tells us, no, it is only the meeting of the trust that can remove Champat Rai ji. If that is the case, why did you put out that he resigned? If it is not the case, then he continues to be the chairperson. You can't be half pregnant. He's either a chairperson or not the chairperson. He can't be half the chairperson. Next thing, the investigation is being done by the Uttar Pradesh government. The Uttar Pradesh government deputy chief minister says the man who's responsible for the Ram Mandir is like a saint. What is going on? This is playing with the hearts and the sentiments of millions of bucks of millions of Indians. But one last thing, Sudhanshu ji, I second what Somnath Bharti ji said. It is you who got Dipendra Mishra ji in. It is you who gave Mulayam Singh Yadav ji the Padma. You all cannot now hide behind this issue of firing on Ram Bhakts. You have cheated Ram Bhakts. The government is cheated it. You have to be accountable to us, we the people. You can't get away and brazen this out. This is not a matter of brazening it out. If Navika ji has done a scam, you got to be answerable to it. You can't say so and so has said it. Has Dipendra Mishra ji resigned or no? If he's resigned, where's the formal resignation? Show us the list of the meetings.
Sudhanshu ji.
Tahseen Bhai started that he will talk legal. He has not spoken even a legal text. He has all spoken political. Again, I am asking to Somnath Bharti and Tahseen Poonawalla both. Kindly quote the clause by which a government can directly dismiss trust chairman. Both are lawyers. I want to hear. Kindly quote the law. It's strictly legal.
Somnath ji.
Kindly give me an answer.
Somnath ji. Respond.
Boliye.
Can you give me the trust deed of the trust? I've searched hard. This trust which was formed by the central government, I could not get hold of. I mean, you have not even given the SIT report to the media. Forget about us. Go the SIT in 2021 also. What happened to that SIT? You don't give the report, you don't give the trust deed to the people, and then you seek answers. I mean, I'm appalled to understand this. What are you saying, sir? You need to be giving the documents before you seek answers.
Sriraj Nair ji, I come back to the whole point. Has Champat Rai ji resigned or not resigned?
आंसर पूछा था ये कोर्ट ही नहीं कर पाए. अब और क्लियर
क्लियर आंसर सर किसी को कहीं से नहीं मिल रहा है. ऑपोजिशन से नहीं मिल रहा है. इस बार सरकार से भी नहीं मिल रहा है क्लियर.
मैंने तो सिर्फ दोनों लॉयर से लॉ पूछा था और बोल नहीं पाए. आए बाय साए कर गए, लॉ नहीं कोट कर पाए. अब मैं और क्लैरिटी दे देता हूं. A private university is formed by the enactment of parliament. Can you directly dismiss the vice chancellor of private university? Say yes or no. What the law?
This is not under the University Grants Act. This is under the Trust Act. And under the Trust Act, you have to give the papers for us to give you the clause.
Don't tell me the law of the trust. ये तो मैंने आपसे कहा था भाई साहब. वो तो ये गवर्नमेंट ये पार्लियामेंट से नहीं बना है, तो पार्लियामेंट से बने. पार्लियामेंट अरे भाई लॉ कोर्ट करो. आप लोग लॉयर हो, बाएं बाएं मत भागो मेरे भाई. लॉ कोर्ट करो.
Sriraj Nair, my question is, everybody is giving us arguments of what cannot be done. I want to ask you, what can be done? We are only so far getting arguments of what cannot be done. You cannot dismiss Champat Rai ji. I forget dismiss Champat Rai ji. Has he resigned or not resigned? Can you first please clear? Alok Verma ji said he is resigned. His own aide Pradyuman says ये सब मीडिया ने पैसे खा लिए हैं और मीडिया ऐसा बोल रही है, ये फेक न्यूज है. तो पहले तो मुझे बता दीजिए कि मीडिया ने अगर पैसे खाए हैं तो राम मंदिर के पैसे कहां गायब हो गए? Is it accusation versus accusation that is going to be the bumbling way that VHP, the RSS, the BJP is going to come out with this? Number two, if there is an investigation, how can the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh already give a clean chit to everybody before the investigation has even reached any level?
Well, Navika ji, you played Mr. Alok Kumarji's bite. He is the international president of the VHP, and he has categorically said Mr. Champat Rai ji has resigned. No, that's a fact. And there is a meeting of the trust on 6th of July, where things will be taken in the trust. Now, I very humbly say you are a very respected channel, and we all have high regards for you as a journalist. Now, this is purely sensationalization of the issue. There is a SIT which is formed, and we all are eagerly awaiting for the reports once the investigation is over. Nobody is trying to shield anybody. Nobody is trying to protect anybody. We have made it very clear. Anybody, irrespective of the post one holds, the heads have to roll, and according to the law of the land, he will be punished. The law of the land is supreme. But we are all saying now Ram Gopal, he is saying 20,000 crore. I would request the SIT to come to question him. This is sensationalizing, rumor mongering, using artificial intelligence. And the footfall remains as it used to be. Donations are also coming as it used to be. Nobody can take away the Astha of Hindus. These people are political.
I will only say one thing, Mr. Nair. No, outrage is not going to solve this problem if you blame us. कोई कह रहा है मीडिया ने पैसे ले लिए, आप कह रहे हैं कि हम सेंसेशनलाइज कर रहे हैं, आप हमें ये भी कह रहे हैं कि हम AI के वीडियोस चला रहे हैं. ये AI का वीडियो नहीं है. This is our reporter on the ground doing an undercover investigation.
This is all sensationalizing. You are sensationalizing. Yes,
it is sensational. Shiraj Nair ji, चंदा चोरी इज सेंसेशनल. चंदा चोरी में आप लोग जिस तरह से रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं, रिएक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए. रिएक्शन शुड हैव बीन बेटर देन व्हाट इट इज राइट नाउ. सो प्लीज डोंट रेज योर वॉइस एंड ट्राई टू इंटिमिडेट मी. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इंटिमिडेटेड एट ऑल बाय यू. मैं कह रही हूँ चोरी हुई है, चोरी हुई है और बिजनेस एज यूजुअल नहीं चल सकता है.
इट इज नॉट द वे जर्नलिस्ट रैप. और चोरी हुई है तो मैडम उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है. जो भी चोरी में पकड़ा जाएगा,
सवाल है
उसके ऊपर गाज गिर.
मेरे भाई सवाल ही ये है कि अगर इन्वेस्टिगेशन सही जगह पर नहीं होगा, अगर ट्रस्ट के कता धरता साइड में नहीं हटेंगे तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा कैसे? सिंपल मेरा आर्ग्यूमेंट ये है. पूजा मिश्रा जी, ये बात सुनकर गुस्सा क्यों आता है VHP को?
The thing is that Navika, now the BHP and the BJP, they are behaving like Siani Billi Khamba Noche. I was hearing the BJP spokesperson, he talked about Shraddha Netaji. Still they are questioning about 1990, though in 1991 Ranganath Mishra committee was formed by then government, BJP government at that time, and Kalyan Singh ji was Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, and that report was submitted to again the BJP government, and again the Chief Minister was Kalyan Singh in 1997, and the report says that that was the need of an hour. But still we don't argue on that. We know that what happened was bad and people lost their lives, and still have the right to question Shraddha Netaji. But that doesn't give the right to loot the Ram temple. You guys have behaved even worse than Ravana. Ravana didn't even go to Ayodhya and touch Mata Sita. You guys, you said Karlemi. Even our chief minister was giving nows to the Shankaracharya. Karlemi in the house, in the Vidhan Sabha, he said that the Shankaracharya is Karlemi, they are Khardushan. Now who is acting as Karlemi? Karlemi is the Rakshas who portray like they are sons, but instead they are Rakshas, and that's what BJP and the people in the trust are behaving. They portray that they are sons, but they are busy in looting the offerings of devotees, and here sitting the
Sudhanshu ji jawab de. Sudhanshu ji jawab de.
Knowing the law won't result in action, and again the media is sensationalizing. You are not taking accountability, responsibility. The government, the BJP government handpicked the members of the trust.
Okay. Sudhanshu ji is responding. Hold on, Pooja Mishra ji. Sudhanshu ji is responding.
I would like to clearly tell that SP spokesperson was not aware. She told that in 1994 when the report came, it was Kalyan Singh ji was CM.
1997.
Kalyan Singh ji was CM till 6th of December 1992. So 6th December 1992. अरे भाई 6th December 1992 में Kalyan Singh ji हट गए थे. Second thing, as far as Mulayam Singh is concerned, there is no need of saying anything. He had said in the floor of the House, and in March 2017.
Mulayam Singh ji, and again there was an emergency in 1996 to 1997. I know the timeline. Don't preach me the timeline. Still, you have to take the accountability of what's happening here in Ram.
You told 1994.
You have
spoken 1994. आप अपना जाके पीछे देख लीजिए.
1994.
You tell 1994. अच्छा 1997 में which month?
Okay, let's cut to 2026. Let's forget what happened in 92, 94, 97. So Sudhanshu ji 2026 में आ जाइए.
सुनिए अभी बताता हूं. In March 2017. सुनिए in March 2017. In Lucknow during the Vidhan Sabha election in Cantonment Board Vidhan Sabha Cantonment Vidhan Sabha seat, Mulayam Singh openly said कि मैंने 16 मरवा दिए थे हिंदू, मैं इससे ज्यादा मुसलमानों के लिए और क्या कर सकता था.
भगवान श्री राम जी के मंदिर में जाकर के क्लियर करें. That's just right to loot the devotee offering.
अरे भाई
that's not the point.
One at a time. Pooja Mishra ji, one at a time. I'll have to lower your fader till Sudhanshu ji completes his answer. Sudhanshu ji.
Let me. And second thing, there is no need of any Samajwadi Party cannot have any excuse. अरे रामचरितमानस की प्रतियां फाड़ी हैं इन्होंने. इनके नेताओं ने भगवान राम के बारे में अनाप शनाप बोला है, कास्ट को लेकर उल्टा सीधा बोला है, बहुत सारी चीजें. So people are very clear and categorical about what is happening. But again, I will not let anybody to go. Again, I will ask Tehseen Poonawalla and Somnath Bharti, kindly tell me the rule by which a chairman of the trust can be directly dismissed without inquiry by the central government. Kindly let me know.
Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, I can only say this: propriety demands that he steps aside. He may not be dismissed, he may not be removed, so he cannot be holding meetings. That is the question I am asking you. He's still holding meetings in the guest house. That is what his people are saying. And Shantanu Gupta, I just want to know, like me, several devotees, several crores of devotees want to know this question. How can there be a free and fair investigation when those at the top who knew this happened on the 4th of June, who went and recovered money on the 5th of June but did not file an FIR, how can they still be in position, and we are expecting a free and fair investigation?
Navika ji, I will avoid the temptation to be James Bond, and I'll only rely on the information available in the public domain. I have not done any sting operation personally. So I think for the last 20 days, this has become a temptation to coin a figure. Pawan Pandey of Samajwadi Party started with a figure 7.5 crore. Kejriwal made it 200 crore sitting in Delhi. Pappu Yadav made it 400 crore sitting in Bihar. And I just on a channel, I heard 20,000 crore from Ram Gopal Yadav. And Arvind Kejriwal also said 3 boxes of Jawharat, not 2, not 4, 3 precise boxes of Jawharat. So this has become a very habit of every politician coming on TV and coining a number so that Hindu faith can be dissolved. राम के प्रति जो आस्था है उसको खत्म करो, इस मंदिर में आस्था खत्म करो, इसी में किसी तरह ताले लगवाओ, right? I think when you quoted when you made us hear the statement of Akhilesh Yadav, he said ना भाजपा को चंदा मिलेगा ना भाजपा को वोट मिलेगा, and that's their aim. कि भाजपा को वोट कैसे ना मिले, राम मंदिर के बहाने, राम मंदिर के इशू के बहाने भाजपा को वोट कैसे मिला ले. That's the only thing. I think the faith of people is relied on because earlier the government was लड़के हैं गलती हो जाती है. Today the government is माफिया को मिट्टी में मिला दूंगा. That's why if Yogi Adityanath's government is doing the investigation, the way Yogi Adityanath government held its office from last 9.5 years, people have full faith. कि SIT की डिमांड आई तो 4 घंटे में SIT बना. And SIT very senior.
Well, Shantanu ji, even if we all realize the fact that the opportunism shown by the opposition is questionable. Is questionable because of their previous track record. Even if we all believe that that is the position, the fact is the questions speak for themselves. The questions of the people, the questions arising out of the current situation, those are questions that need to be answered. By blaming the opposition, you cannot take away the question that still hang over the manner in which this Chanda Chori has taken place, and therefore any attempt to do so will actually disturb devotees more than what they already are.
And we did a survey. We asked, action on big fish necessary for justice? 60% people say yes, unless you get the action on the big fish. चुटपइयों से नहीं होगा ये पूरा scam का पर्दाफाश. And that is what you need to do to restore faith in the process. All I can say as an extremely pained Hindu tonight is it took us 500 years to get here to have the Ram Mandir. And it's taken only 2 years to see the horrible underbelly. The manner in which faith has been belied, faith has been betrayed, needs redressal. It doesn't need too much rhetoric. Please, investigation needs to be foolproof and it cannot be limited to just the bottom half. 60% believe big fish need to be investigated. 35% people say no. The others, 5% say they don't have a view. I think the overwhelming majority writing is on the wall. We do hope authorities will take notice and fix responsibility.
For now, thank you very much to all my panelists joining me on debate number 1.